convert a machine into RE. Machine can be NFA or DFA. So initially here I am just going to discuss a simple way how we can convert an NFA and DFA into regular expression. Further I will discuss what algorithm we can use in it. So initially I am discussing in normal way. So what can be the steps? NFA or DFA does not matter. NFA or DFA does not matter because both have same way. And the second thing, if we get the trap state obviously in DFA, then we can remove it, and if we get non-reachable state, then we will remove it. So suppose we have this machine and these are the transition we have. I am just indicating the these are the states only. I am just indicating like this only. So we can simply see that here that this is not going anywhere, so this is trapped state, so we will simply remove it, and these are the states which are non-reachable state, because you can see the direction, we cannot go there, so these are the non-reachable state, so we will simply remove them. So what we will get, so at the end what we will get this. After removing this and after removing this, what we will get this. After removing this trap state and this non-reachable state, what we will get this only. And here we can simply see that both are same, so we can remove them. So we can remove one of them. Here we can say both are same, AB and BA, both are same, so we can remove one of them. So what we will get finally, this AB, the transition of AB in that state also, and transition of AB from that state also. So we can write like this also, and both are final state. So if we remove one, then whatever left, it will be the final state. So this will be the final machine after removing trap state, after removing non-reachable state, and after removing same states. So what can be the RE for this? We can simply write like A star B or A plus B whole star. Here either A can run, either B can run, because this is the loop of A or B, so we can write A plus B whole star. So this is the regular expression for this machine, A star B, A plus B whole star. So in that way we can convert a machine into regular expression. And now move to the next step. What next step is? If we have several final states here, because both are same, so we remove one. But if all are not same, so if we have several final state, so first what we will do, first if we can convert multiple final state into single, then convert. If we can convert multiple final states into single, or you can say into one, then convert it. But if we cannot, suppose we have this example, suppose we have suppose we have this machine and we cannot convert, and all are final states, and we cannot convert all final states into one, then what we will do? We will do union like this. We will write like this: RA plus RB plus RC. We will do union. We will combine them. We will do like this. We will write like this: RA plus RB plus RC. This is the regular expression for that machine. So what we will do? We will do union, and this is the regular expression for that machine. The next step, what we will have, if we have so many states, if we have so many states at start and end, then if we have so many states at start and end, then simplify it first. How? Let's understand with the example. Suppose we have this suppose we have this, and we can clearly see that there are so many on the start. So first we will simplify it. How we will simplify it? We can write like this: A C D star E C D star E whole star, C D star E whole star, or B whole star A B. So first we simplify this, so that's why we write like this. This is A, so we write A here. This is C D star E, so it will run multiple times, so that's why we take a star, then B, so it will in loop, so we write B star, and here A B, so we write A B. So we can write like this. So this is the regular expression for this machine. In the similar way, this is on the starting, and if it is like this, suppose if we have like this, pop X Y Z, so how we can write? X plus Y plus Z whole star, because all three are present here, so we can write either X will run, either Y will run, either Z will run at one time, or this is on the loop, so we will write star here. And suppose we take another example. Suppose we have this. Suppose we have this R1 B, R2 R3 and R4. Suppose we have this. So how we are going to write regular expression for this? Suppose we have this. How we are going to write this? So first what we will do? We will remove B. First what we will do? We will remove B state, and we will write regular expression for this. How we are going to do this? We are going to do this like this. We will do like this, because A is a final state, so an initial state also. Here R1 is there, so we will write R1, and we will make another loop here also, in which what we will write R2, because here R2 is there, and R4 as a loop, so we will write here R2 is there, so we will write first R2. Here the loop of R4, so how we will write R4 star, because it's a loop, so that's why we will write R4 star. And what left? R3, so we will write R3 here. We will write R3 here. So now how we can write RA? We can write RA like this. We remove B here, so because we are removing B, so whatever is coming and going from B, so we will write here like loop on A. R2, because it's a loop. R4, so that's why R4 star R3. So after removing B, B comes here, and so we can write RA here. How we can write RA? R1 plus, because one loop is on R1 and second loop for this, R1 plus R2 R4 star R3 whole star. R1 plus either this will run, either this will run, that's why it will come in plus. So R1 plus R2 R4 star R3 whole star, because it is in loop, so this is star. So in this way we can write. RA. And now what will be the RB? What we have in RB? RB we will have, suppose here we remove B, but suppose if we remove A here, then what we will have? We will have RA dot R2 R4. From this, here we are removing B, but what can be the RB? RB can be RA, because both represent RA and RB. RA and R2 R4. R2 R4 star. Why R2 R4 star? Because whatever is coming towards B, what is coming? R2 and R4. It is coming from RA to RB, R2 and R4. That's why we write RA dot R2 R4 star. Why R4 star? Because this is a loop. So instead of RA, what we will write here? Whatever we have here, we will write here. Whatever we have value for RA from here, we will write here. What value we have? We have R1 plus R2 R4 star R3 whole star. And what left? R2 R4 star from here. Whatever RA value we will get from here, we will write here, and R2 and R4 star. So we can see simply this is the value of RB and this is the value of RA. In that way we can find out the value of RA and RB. So what we will do initially we remove B, and whatever is coming and going towards B, we write a loop. We take a loop and we write it on the A, and then we write the RA value. And after that, because we will get RA value, but we need RB value also, so we will write RB value also. So first we write RA, because we have RA also, and whatever coming towards B, so we will write here RA dot R2 R4 star, and after that we write RA value here, and whatever we get RA value from here, and what left we write here. Or this is the way we can find out RA and RB. So in that way we can find out anything, or we can make regular expression from the machine. Either it can be NFA or it can be DNFA. In that way we can find out the regular expression.